This website got me a lot of money in recent weeks, and right now I'm gonna share it with you. It's fairly easy, so follow me closely. Hit that subscribe button for more, and let's get started. So, this is the website in question, guys. This is mindsumo.com, and here they work in a simple concept. They have these questions, these ideas, which need solving. And for example, certain companies come here and they launch a project to get some ideas. And certain people like me and you are gonna come here and they're gonna share their ideas and earn cash for a small amount of time invested. But don't worry, you don't have to have any ideas of your own because I have found a way, a strategy which is gonna get these ideas for yourself without actually innovating them or coming to them on yourself. So here you can take a look at current and past projects from these clients on this website. So for example, you can see that certain company is asking what should we name our open talent marketplace, and they are offering $1,000 for top 50 answers. So let me actually click on this. You will see here that for start it's gonna be $1,000 and that's gonna split up for you. So that's not $1,000 for you only if you win on this. This is gonna split up on top 50% of answers, and you can see that there are 17 days left for this project. So here you can see that top 10% will share $625. Next 15% will share $250, and next 25% will share $125. So not exactly $1,000 for yourself, but guys, even this reward is enough for the amount of work that you will invest in this. This is low amount of work for huge amount of profits. We are gonna use Google to help us with answering to these questions. So for example, this is interesting one as well. This is how would you design the improved trash bag of the future. And these guys are giving out $1.6 thousand. So this is even more money than you think. And there are a lot of these ideas, and you can filter these on these categories over here. You have food science, you have computer science, you have engineering, business, math and sciences, you have humanities and arts. And you can see here that there are a lot of these projects and they are all paying good money. And it's fairly easy if you ask me, what is the next great morning snacking product? So you can have an idea of your own which you can write and you can send to these guys in order to get some money, but you can use Google in order to get money for free, and I'm gonna show you how you can actually do this. Of course, you're gonna use Google Docs so you can send them to that because they want it for them to be sent via this Google Doc file. So you're basically just gonna write up your answer in Google Doc, you're gonna download it into your computer, and then you will send it here on MindSumo. So for start, we just have to choose a topic for ourselves. So I don't know, whichever one we want, we are able to answer to. So for example, I don't know, what is the future of NFTs? Let's click on that. And this one is, for example, for $800. It's still good money. Don't worry, you can do any of these. This is just the one which I'm going to use as an example. And also, if you are doubting in legitimacy of MindSumo, I found some reviews online and people are generally satisfied. MindSumo gives you money for your ideas, guys, and I actually made a lot of money on this website, so you can do it as well. MindSumo is a legit website, so if you had any doubts about it, trust me, it is very, very profitable and it's working. Now back to the topic. This is our question of the day. So what is the future of NFTs for $800? And here you have some details here, these 6 questions. Each of these have different amount of these questions, and you can split up the articles that I will give to you for free so you can answer to all of these questions. So for start, guys, if you don't know the answer, and I don't know the answer to this question, but we are gonna find out and we're gonna do it easily and quickly. So first of all, just copy this into your clipboard. Next on, just go on google.com and you will paste that in the search bar. And you have a lot of these answers. We can see what's the future of art NFTs. Click on that, open a new tab. There is one on Forbes. This is a very good one. Forbes is a very trustable and respectful website. Then you have this QIT 11 exciting NFT trends shaping the future, why NFTs trend in China may point to the futures of NFTs globally, what is the future of NFT tokens. So as you can see, a lot of results, a lot of information which we can use to our advantage. So you can see this one on NASDAQ. It's a pretty good article, and someone already answered to that question, what is the future of NFTs. This one is on Forbes, a lot of good information here as well. So what you can do now, guys, is you can simply copy that and paste it into your Google Doc. This one is also a good one. This from QIT. I read it. It's a very good one. It answers to all of these questions which are related to our question on mindsumo.com, and you can do the exact same thing. You can just copy this into your clipboard and then paste it on your Google Doc. You have some answers on Quora.com as well. So you can see that this guy answered it very nicely. You can just copy it into your clipboard, go to Google Doc, and then just paste it over here. But of course, guys, you don't want to send it like this. You will first want to go on spinbot.com. And what this website is doing is it's actually rewriting your text. So whatever you put in here, so let me example paste that article, that answer on Quora.com. You will just copy that here, and then you will click on this button. Then you will just complete this weird CAPTCHA. And then, guys, you will have your text rewritten on this right side over here. So that's for you to avoid some copyright issues. Now, this text is the same meaning as this one on the left, but it has few words rewritten, some phrases written in another way. So it's like an original article on itself now. Now, you will just copy that and paste it here in your Google Doc, your MindSumo Google Doc, which you have prepared. Now, what you can do is you can go on this NASDAQ and you can, for example, use this one, this first paragraph, in order to have some intro on your text. You will once again rewrite it here on Spinbot, then you will just copy it into clipboard and then go back to this one and make your first paragraph have some intro because these guys made a good point. And now this is looking like something. You will just have once more to check these questions here so you can see if you have answered to all of these correctly. So did you provide enough information for all of these questions, because you need to do it. After you have assured yourself of doing yourself right, you will just click here on file and you will click on download, and you will download it as a PDF document because these guys need it like that. Of course, you can use a lot more information from Google.com. There are a lot of these articles, a lot of information is online, so you can use whatever you want actually. And of course, you can use a lot of these, so you can choose a lot of these questions and you can apply for as many as you like. There are a lot of there, so there is plenty of opportunity for everyone, and everyone can make money on this regardless of where you come from, whether you have any ideas or not. You will just use Google to your advantage, and that's your money maker. That's a lot of money for yourself, guys, so I highly suggest that you visit this website, take some action, and I'll catch you later.